Okay, heat rises. Is it the heat that's rising or is it the water that's rising?
The water.
Water that's rising within it, right? Why is it staying at the top? Why is the red staying at the top? If you think in terms of density and pressure. Grace, I'm going to put you on the spot again since you got out of the last one. In terms of density and pressure, why is the red staying on the top based on what we discussed earlier? Kale, can you help her?
Well, because the red is a higher temperature, so the density decreases and the pressure decreases, so it rises.
Okay, good. And why is the blue sinking?
Because
go ahead.
Because when you lower the temperature, density and pressure increase, so it'll go down.
Okay, good. Is it going to stay like this? Is the blue going to stay on the bottom and the red going to stay on the top? What does it look like is happening here? Whoa, why is the blue now rising on the left and the red is sinking on the right?
The equator's heating the blue water.
Ah, so what's the heating pad doing? Sending it upward by decreasing its pressure. What's happening on the right-hand side? A little more slowly, right? So the red is sinking down on the right-hand side because it's cooling as it hits that cool side where the ice is underneath the aquarium. Now, the reason the red is taking a lot longer is probably my experimental error by putting water in there that's too hot. So it's going to take longer for that to cool than it is my cold water to heat up when it comes in contact. Wow, right? Mind blown. All right, now, yes, Madison.
You should get some flex tape for that.
I do need some flex tape for that aquarium. I agree. We talked about that earlier. What's going to happen in here eventually if we could sit in here for a couple hours and watch this? And if y'all want to, I can keep it set up after school and we can sit and watch it. It's going to eventually become purple, right? Because they're going to mix together. But look at that red sinking down on the right and the blue rising up on the left. And then I want you to turn to your diagram back on the front page. Can you visualize now what that diagram is trying to show you? Okay, so let's talk about this in terms of pressure. Pressure at the surface versus pressure aloft. What does that word